Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Police charge a woman from America who them find with coke at the Sangsters International Airport in a Montego Bay, St. James on December 4. Police lock up the 60-year-old man who them claims a shot and killed a 6-year-old girl in a Tex Lane, Central Kingston. The St. Elizabeth police put out the name of one man who them thinks they have something to do with the killing of one teacher in the parish yesterday. The man a Domain Robinson. The top science people them in the World Health Organization WHO say so far in a look like the Omicron variant worse than the rest of variant them. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Police charge a woman from America who them find with coke at the Sangsters International Airport in a Montego Bay, St. James on December 4. The woman, a 22-year-old Cameron Harris Love, who come from one North Carolina, USA address. Police charge her for have coke panar, for sell coke, for plan up for send coke outside of the country, and for try send coke outside of the country. According to the police report, around 12 o'clock, Harris Love did go take one plane go Charlotte when the drugs police search her suitcase and find some coke hideaway. The drugs weigh 4.25 pounds and cost US $96,500 on the road. Harris Love go before the St. James Parish Court on Friday, December 10, 2021. Police lock up the 60-year-old man who them claims a shot and killed a 6-year-old girl in a Tex Lane, Central Kingston. Them say people beat up the man bad and the police did have to save him. The man in a hospital now and police are watching him. According to the police report, the man did have one gun when make a yard. Him did a ramp round with it when it go off and shot Timora McCallum. Timor dead at hospital. The St. Elizabeth police put out the name of one man who them thinks they have something to do with the killing of one teacher in the parish yesterday. The man a Domain Robinson, who people call Domain Mile or Starboard Miles. The police said them asked him to carry himself to the Black River Police or the nearest police station right away. The dead teacher at 28-year-old Chanel Smith. Smith get shot when she did walk go in at the Sandy Bank Infant School in a St. Elizabeth. People call the police and them rush her to go hospital where doctor says she dead. The Black River Police are asked anybody who see her go on or know nothing for call them pan 876-965-2232, Crime Stop pan 311 or the nearest police station. 4 men get locked up after police find one gun in a one stop and search operation right at Mullines Road and Sundown Crescent yesterday. According to the police report, around 8:56 p.m., them did do one stop and search operation when them stopped the car where 4 men did inna. Them search the car and find the gun. The man them get locked up. The police said them go ask the 4 men some question in front of them lawyer before them charge them. News from foreign. The top science people them in the World Health Organization WHO say so far in a look like the Omicron variant worse than the rest of variant them. According to the WHO, them know the world affect about Omicron because only per country lock back them border and affect about them economy. But so far, the only thing them see I say it easy for bird. According to Michael Ryan, them have to go looking at the variant some more and report back about it. Now for sports. One-time Manning Cup winner Camperdown High and Tivoli Gardens High get kicked out of the 2021-2022 ISA Digital Manning Cup competition for use players where them not for use. ISA put out this yesterday and them said the 2 schools use the players them in the first round of the competition. Camperdown and Tivoli they get the 2 automatic quarter-final spot from Group B. People, remember the curfew are from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.